Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charger type and battery specifications so charging is safe and effective. Once done, park the car, set the brake, and switch off every electrical device. This prevents sparks. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection because acid and short circuits are dangerous. Locate the battery terminals and clean corrosion if needed. Then connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative. Do that firmly, and check the clamps are tight before powering the charger. You now select the correct voltage and charging mode. Most car batteries are 12V, so choose that and pick low amps for maintenance or higher amps for a faster top-up. If the charger has a smart setting, use it because it will taper current as the battery fills, extending battery life. Start the charger and observe the readout for voltage and amps. Monitor temperature and smell for any overheating or gas. If readings climb unexpectedly, reduce current or pause to reassess connections and battery condition. You finish by waiting for the charger to indicate a full charge or reach the target voltage, and always power down the charger before removing clamps to avoid sparks. Once off, remove the black clamp first and then the red, clean terminals and secure the battery in its tray. If the car still won't start, don't panic. Check the battery voltage with a meter, inspect the alternator output, and verify terminal connections. If voltage is low after charge, the battery may be sulfated or failing and might need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.